Welcome, my heart-centric friends. Today is a special day. Why? Because it's my 15th video out of my 30 that I was challenged to create. Now, when I was challenged to create the 30 videos, I thought, this shouldn't be that difficult. And in many ways it wasn't, but I had some challenges along the way. I mean, what would you do if someone challenged you to anything that was important in your life? Right now, what's important in my life is accomplishing these videos, but also imparting knowledge and wisdom and my learnings along the way about AI and other things as well. Because this channel is about teaching other people about the technology that I'm interested in, but it's also to share part of my life with you. Creating these videos has been a big part of my life for the last 15 or 16 days. In fact, there was a point last week where life really got in the way and I could not share a video. But it was important enough to me that I made sure I did 2 videos on the next day. So how would you feel if you were challenged to do something that you'd never done before, but you really wanted to do, and you weren't sure if you had the skill set to do it? Now, I have taught myself many things, software included, but I was never super interested in videography and recording. Although I taught all the time and I was recorded on stage, that didn't bother me. It was the mechanics of both the recording of me and the talking and making sure that I got all my points across. So maybe like me, you might have a sense of panic, but then you have to buckle down and get to business. And what did I do? Well, I relied on my own knowledge and understanding of technology. And that was very important because I was confident enough to know that I've taught myself so many software packages and so many other things like crocheting and knitting and gardening, house repairs, a whole host of things that I've been able to do. Have they been perfect? No. But what all does that have to do with AI? Well, since I want to talk about AI and I want to lean into AI and help people understand that it isn't that scary and there's a lot of things you can do, I leaned even heavier into AI. ChatGPT and Canva and Riverside, all of us got to be really good friends over the last 3 weeks, and it's been a fascinating journey. So I've learned not to panic. And I've learned to leverage the tools, especially ChatGPT, to add more context to my day. So I've learned very well about how to create valuable prompts. And those are the things that I want to share with you. I'm excited that I'm at day 15, and I have so many more prompts and tools to share with everyone. Why is this important? Well, it might not be all that important about AI, but it's important to me, and I'm here to be of service, and that's my biggest goal. So I really would like to reach other people who are interested in learning about technology, even how I've decided to use ChatGPT and an AI called Libra that will document and inventory all of my spiritual books. And not just that it's a list of all the books I have, but the context of them, screenshots of the pictures inside. I'm so excited by that. For someone who is a bibliophile, and I've had over 1,000 books throughout my lifetime, and I've pared down to maybe 400, just getting that accomplished would be a huge accomplishment. So after my 30 days, the next round of things that I will be doing with AI is organizing more of my own life with the tools that I have learned, not only with AI, but with video. I had no idea what I could do with that. And it's so exciting to learn that. And I realized that when the tough things happen and you're able to move forward, it's a point of celebration. And I am celebrating at day 15. I know I got 15 more videos to go, and I hope you join me on my journey, because I'd sure like to have you come along. If this halfway point resonates with you, if you've struggled to accomplish any big goal, if you've wanted to quit, if you've gotten frustrated, if you've thrown up your hands and said, oh my gosh, I can't do this, well, join me for the next 15 days and see how my journey winds around and down on September 3rd. I hope to see you there. Drop a comment below. You can say whatever you like, But if you resonate with the concern of starting a new project and never being able to be sure, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like and subscribe button and not miss out on my last 15 days of 30. I'm proud of myself, and I hope that I can cheer you on to your goals and have you feel that same sense of pride and accomplishment. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.